I ordered 2 peonies from Adelman Peony Gardens in Oregon. They just arrived. I want to see the roots, make sure they're healthy. I ordered White Innocence. That one looks really interesting to me. It's, I think, one of the tallest peonies. And then I also ordered Buckeye Belle, which is the darker one. I have the catalog. We pretty much traveled across the country from Oregon. Let's see. Where are they? I'll just take it out. This is White Innocence. You can see the eyes on there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 maybe eyes on there. So that's White Innocence. It gets 48 inches tall, which is pretty tall for a peony. And then Buckeye Belle. This one's already sending out little roots. Yep, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 eyes on that. Buckeye Belle, 30 inches tall, early variety. So those are the 2 I ordered from Adelman's this year.